Oh, heck yeah, I got the best seat in the house. I got the window seat. I'm like super thirsty right now. I'm gonna drink this whole thing. That tastes so good. That hits the spot. Oh no, you know what I just realized? I have to go pee so bad, but I'm in the window seat and like I'm trapped. I'm literally trapped right now. Like I can't get up unless I ask the person next to me. Oh no, and the person next to me is asleep. This is so bad. But it's okay. It's all good. I can hold this. But I can't hold it. My bladder is literally about to explode right now. Okay, you got this. You're just gonna have to poke the lady. You're gonna have to ask her to wake up and move. And she didn't even feel that. That was so awkward. Okay, let me just try this again. Oh, great. She's not even waking up at all. See, the window seat's actually the worst seat because now I'm trapped. I can't go to the bathroom. You know what? Next time, I'm choosing the aisle seat because my bladder is not in a good mood.